Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll start by preparing the device and account so the terms flow through. First, update iOS and reboot. This fixes many protocol mismatches. Next, sign out of Apple ID in settings your name if sign-in fails, then sign back in to refresh tokens. Make sure Wi-Fi is stable and VPN is off because interruptions block agreement handshakes. Once done, open the App Store to trigger the terms screen and proceed to the next set of steps. Now you handle the middle, trickier actions to force the terms acceptance. Open the App Store and tap your profile. That often surfaces the agreement. If nothing appears, reset network settings to clear cached routes that block Apple servers, then reconnect Wi-Fi. Also sign out of the App Store specifically and sign back in. Sometimes the purchase flow or subscription action will trigger the terms dialog. Make sure your payment method is valid. An invalid card can prevent the prompt from appearing. Finish by accepting the terms and confirming your account status. When the dialog appears, read and tap Accept, then follow any verification like code entry. If the prompt never shows, reset your Apple ID password and enable two-factor authentication, then sign back in to force a fresh session. As a last troubleshooting tip, collect timestamps and screenshots and contact Apple support. Mention you tried updates, sign out, network reset, and password change so they can escalate with device logs quickly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.